Alright guys, so right here's the bump stop that I want to get off. As you can see, it sits right on here. You can see where it's kind of taking like the paint away. So there's just 2 bolts right here, and this comes off. So go ahead and get this off, put the wheel back on this side, and then we'll go ahead and do the other side as well. The screw. Alright guys, as you see, I got the bump stop off back here. Now I can put the wheel back on this thing. We'll have so much more clearance back here. I would like to lower it more. I just don't know how I would do that. I would like to get another 3 inches out of the back, and I don't have anything here at the moment that I can use to make that happen, unfortunately. Yeah, I know you can re-drill the pier and bring it up. That helps like 1 inch, but I definitely want more than 1 inch. But I also don't know how close this rear is going to be to the frame of the truck, and I don't want this smacking on here and then cracking the differential in the truck, because we got to C-notch this, which that will be soon, but not at the moment. And then I want to clean all this up, nice, sand it down and paint this, but we'll paint the whole back of the frame when we get the bed off and we C-notch it. So that will be soon, because I'm already talking to a company for a C-notch for the truck. But yeah, and then we'll do this, and then probably see about either doing leaf springs or another block, bigger block, because this is a 3-inch block in here now. I think I've seen up to 4-inch, so I can get 1 inch out of that. If I do a 4-inch block here, and get 1 inch there, that's 2 inches, and then we can do the leaf spring as well. So I don't know, or we'll just do a leaf spring and a 4-inch block and a leaf spring. I think the leaf spring is 2 inches instead of re-drilling up there. I don't know, we'll see, because right now that's not the time for this. We just got to do a few things on it. So let's get this wheel back on and jump on the other side. Alright, so we got the bump stops off, but the truck still seems like it's sitting pretty high to me. What y'all think? But definitely has more like clearance. And I know the bed is probably tweaked from being hit in the corners, but I think it's like stock height to me, you know? So I don't know. It is what it is. So they're off. It's gonna ride better. But you can even see like on the bump stops, like where it was hitting on the rear end, see? Right there. Regardless, they were in the way. Now they're not. Don't think you're safe either, buddy. You're coming off of there. We'll start down here and get this thing off of here some way, somehow. Come on. Don't you fight with me. Ha ha. Bad, baby, bad. Now, let's clean this thing up and we'll go from there. All right, guys, so I decided I was going to put the hard body in the barn and get it up on the quick jacks. Just because when I drive the truck, there's a lot of play in the steering wheel, and I really want to figure out what's going on with the front end. So I haven't checked it all. I just got it up in the air and picked up the camera so I can show you all what's going on. So I guess we're going to figure out together what's up with this front end. So I get some parts coming in for this thing, because yeah, like it's one of those things where like I'm driving, I hit a bump and want to go one way, it steers the other way, then it jerks one way. Yeah, it's got like that Jeep Def wobble setup on it, and I ain't for that, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I guess we'll go ahead and figure out what's up with the front end, what it needs, and we'll get some stuff coming in for this stuff, because that ain't cool. We don't need all that play in this thing. We want it nice and tight and safe. So let's go ahead and shake it all down, I guess, huh? So here is the driver's side. Let's see. Yeah, there's some play in that steering. And then, yeah, Yeah, there's up and down and side to side play, which see. Turn the wheels one way. What is it binding on? Oh man, it's hitting on the lift. Yeah, it needs a lot of stuff. It looks like the ball joints look shot on it. That's for sure. Turn it the other way. Damn. I wish it wasn't hitting on the lift. Probably should have pushed this one back some, so I could have got the full angle. But yeah, it is what it is. So let's see. Let's see. Yeah. I don't know. I'll probably just order all of it. Like tie rods and the drag link and idler arm, pitman arm, like all that. Shocks. These bump stops, it's hitting on these too, but that's because it's in the air, so they're fully drooped. But laying down, they don't hit. But the shocks are leaking, so probably need shocks as well. But suppose it just had a bunch of like aftermarket stuff, but don't look like it to me. But what do I know? Look at these tie rods. Tie rods are shot. Like the bushings are ripped. Upper ball joints. Sure, the lowers are bad too. Both sides. Let's go check the other side. Let's turn this wheel this way. We'll go check out this side. See how it looks in here. Yeah, that boot is ripped. The tie rod is ripped. So I don't know about the lower, but yeah. Definitely gonna just get all that stuff for it and replace it, because it'll be easier to do that. We're gonna be doing a lot of work on this truck. Might as well do the safety stuff first, right? I think so. What do y'all think? Definitely need some front end work on it, that's for sure, because even this wheel has play up and down. So it's definitely gonna probably need also a wheel hub bearing. So, like, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but that thing got a lot of play in it. Can we get full angle on this side? Nope, hits there too. Oh well. And I also know, like, people cut these bump stops off right here to get more angle, but I don't know if mine's hitting there. I can't turn the wheel all the way because it's hitting on the quick jacks. So we'll have to, like, one day just smooth the quick jacks, because I can't go back anymore because it's pretty much gonna hit on the back of the truck on the leaf spring purchase. So we'll just have to jack it up with a jack and get underneath. But yeah, definitely need some loving. You can see where the tire's rubbing right here. I don't see it rubbing anywhere else, but definitely rubs there. And this thing ain't even that low yet. And we had smaller tires because these are 20 by 10s. If it had like smaller wheels on it, it'd probably be definitely rubbing. But yeah. All right, so got the truck back on the ground because we already figured out we need everything on the front end of this freaking truck, of course. Why wouldn't we? But anywho, I'm gonna go ahead and start eliminating stuff that I do not need. So we'll go ahead and take this tube off and everything because it's in the way. And we got to get to some stuff that are around in this area through here that we don't need. So set you guys up on, well, okay. That was easy enough, right? But yeah, go ahead and get this air box out of the way so I can get to stuff that we got to get rid of. So set you guys up on a tripod and get to work. All right, so I got all that stuff out of the way because obviously it's not needed. What I'm gonna do now is I wanna go ahead and take this off just for the time being, because I gotta do something real quick, and this is in the way of it. So we'll remove that, and that's all I gotta take off for what I need to do. But for some reason, this truck, if you look at it, it has the ground cable goes here, right? And then, like, look, this is the ground cable on this truck. It goes from here around to this way to the side of the head right here. So it's got this extra bit of cable and stuff sitting here, and it's not needed. So what I'm gonna do is just unbolt it from this terminal here, unbolt it from the head, and then bolt this to the head, and then we'll just have the one negative terminal here. So that's what I'm gonna do. But before we do anything, I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect the battery. So nothing shorts or whatever, just to be on the safe side. Shouldn't, because it's just a ground, but I'd rather be safe than sorry. So we'll take the terminals off, take this off of here, off the head, and then put this on the head, and it gets rid of this cable that's not needed. And there's not just wires just flopping around in here. I know I'm not putting every single bolt in it, unfortunately, because I don't have enough screws. I should have grabbed more, but the parts truck should have more screws, so. Oh, boom. Man, just that to me looks so much better. God, that's so beautiful. And then I also got the hazard button. It's gonna go over here. Yeah, I don't know what this janky shit is here, but I guess it's because it's a different dash than what was in the truck, and this is probably from the old truck. Also need a turn signal switch because this doesn't work. I don't have turn signals, but we'll get that out of a parts truck that we got. All right, so I want to go ahead and put this clamshell on now. Got a couple zip ties. I'm just going to go ahead and zip tie some of these wires up around the steering column right here, so they're not just like hanging in there. Trying to tuck them up nicer. So, go ahead and do that real quick. And put that there. Now, little beauty ring, I guess you can call it. Around here. Alright. Yeah, brother. I wish I had this still, but I don't have this piece here. Well, at least I don't think so. I'm gonna grab a bunch of stuff, but I don't think I got that because I forgot about that piece. So, alright, let's get this one, and we get this one. Alright, so I think I kind of jumped the gun real quick, trying to get this on first. Right, this has to go on first, so I'll take this back off, and we'll get this put on the... Alright, so got this all together. Guys, look how much nicer that looks without wires just exposed and stuff. That was a little hard to install, I guess, because this truck's a 93. It's the 96 dash, so right here's rubbing on this here, so it's not fully flush with it. I think I might have to change this lever here for the hood pop, or maybe just cut this out. But it's in there, snug. This is all up and everything. All this is bolted up. Now we got to put that center bezel in, the radial bezel, right here. Boom, boom. So, yeah, let's see. That's gonna just tie it all together. Putting this puppy in here. I can get this through here some way, somehow. But yeah, I mess with it. But you gotta get that through there. Connect. Put this there for the hazards. I don't know what goes here. I'll have to look at pictures or something. If maybe it's just this plug goes right there. I don't know. Maybe something like this. I'll look. But yeah, let's get this installed real quick. All right, guys. So it's starting to get really cold out here. You know, it's been cold, but it's getting cold. Yeah, what y'all think? Got everything back together in this thing, looking very, very good. You know, I'm excited. Got most of the interior together, or at least everything that I have for it is back in the truck. So still a lot that needs to be done. Still waiting on the shifter extender to come in. So I bring the shifter up higher. And then when we get those part trucks over here, get some parts off of it, get the diff welded, have just spares, swap this bed over. And I have an idea for the bed that I want to do on this thing, to make like a wide body for it. I was watching a video, a guy took bed sides and kind of like cut it away. And then what he did, he pulled them inwards to have it flare. And then he cut this part of it out to have the actual clearance that needs to be clearanced and everything. So pretty cool. Thinking about doing that because I really want to go wider on the back. So it kind of matches like the front, since it has like 4x4 fenders on it. So they're a lot wider. Just to give it that look, you know, because look how this sticks out so much compared to the back, you know, like that's a lot. I wish 4x4 beds were wider, because I would just look for a 4x4 bed and put on here. So I'll have that wider stance look. But yeah, so it's back together. We have somewhat of an interior in this thing. I'm excited. I really like how it looks. Got this area cleaned out a little bit. Got the terminal changed out. So not a lot that I got done, but it's stuff that's been bothering me. I really wanted to get that interior stuff back together and those bumps also off of the truck, which clearly we did. And we have all that travel now if we need it. So I do want to go lower in the back for sure. We'll be addressing that when we get the bed off. We're going to be doing some suspension stuff on it and pressure washing the whole frame of the truck and getting it all painted and stuff, making it look really, really good. But that's a future video, not this video. This video is going to end here, guys. I do hope y'all enjoyed and is excited for the hard body build. I haven't even posted a video on this truck yet, even though it's already made videos on the truck. Just I'm ahead on videos because I'm only posting slightly and I haven't been posting, but we're getting back at it. So with that being said, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed. And if so, please hit that thumbs up button. Leave a comment below. Let me know what y'all think about the hard body truck build and the progress we're going to do on it and ideas for it. If anyone has ideas, stuff like that, just whatever. Anything y'all want to leave in the comment, leave in the comment. Share these videos. Hit the thumbs up button. Subscribe to the channel if you're not yet subscribed. And yeah, we're going to continue pushing. So thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. And we'll catch you on the next one. Peace out and God bless.